Today we're going to be installing a LabStrong D8922LS hose nipple cartridge into a LabStrong cartridge holder. You simply remove the cartridge from the box. You're going to have two instructions. One is going to be on how to install the hose nipple cartridge into a holder. The other one is going to be for our recycle program, which we'll be covering at a later date. Now, if you take the cartridge, remove it from the bag, you simply cut the bag, pull the cartridge out. Now, it's not necessary to wear gloves as it is when you have a canister style cartridge, because the water is going to be going through the inside of the cartridge and not touching the outside. So before you actually install the D8922LS into the holder, you're going to want to remove both of the end caps. Simply remove the two caps, put those aside. Take the cartridge with the label with all the pertinent information. It has your type of cartridge, manufacturer, the actual PSI rating, and also the lot code and the expired date. You just simply take that cartridge, drop that down inside until it hits the bottom. You've got your bottom hose nipple sticking out the bottom of the holder, and your top out at the top here. Now you're going to take your tubing. This is your inlet tubing, and you want to use water. Don't use any kind of vacuum grease or silicone grease or anything like that. You want to use just water to make this a little bit easier to attach to the hose nipple. And you go up with the hose nipple all the way to the bottom of the cartridge. That's your inlet. And your outlet, you do the same all the way down to the top of the cartridge. Now you want to make sure that your outlet tubing is not connected to anything, any solenoid valves, any meters, any valves. That has to be open to the atmosphere. You can only have an inlet valve on the inlet side to turn your water on and off to the cartridge. You can't have anything on the output side because that will pressurize the cartridge, and it's not meant to be pressurized. And that's your installation for a hose nipple cartridge, LabStrong cartridge into a LabStrong holder.